Hi, in this lesson, we will learn how to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. First, we ask the user what type of conversion they want. After that, a condition checks. Here, a condition checks the user input and sends the program to respective method here in these methods. Where the conversion formulas are written and performs the conversion. Let's try it. Suppose we want to convert 35 Celsius to Fahrenheit. It is 95.0. Let's run it again. You want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. 45 Fahrenheit. It's 7.2 Celsius. Here, this is the method to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius in Python. Thank you.